Hi guys, PJ here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace some door speakers on a Volkswagen Transporter. This particular one's a 2011 model and it's quite a straightforward job. Obviously, first of all, you've got to remove the door card. Nice and simple. Pop the cover off, that just clips off. You can put a little plastic leverage tool under it, pop it off. 2 Phillips screws, remove the door handle. Then move down here and you'll find a Phillips screw can sunk under there, or a TX25. I've seen both variants, normally a TX25. Then if you go down to the bottom of the door card, right underneath, under here, there's 3 TX25s. 1, 2, 3. After that, it's a simple case of putting your plastic leverage tool under the door card and levering it away from the door. You'll feel the poppers pop all the way around. They are that style of popper. There you go. Nice and simple. Pop those away from the door, and that'll leave you with your door shell. There's the holes that the poppers have come from, so it's just a case of lift it out, and then for the top edge here, lift the corner up and unhook it away. Obviously, don't forget to unplug your cables. There's your electric window cable. It's on a squeezy tab, so just squeeze the tab, pinch it, and pull it out. As for the door catch, it's a hook with a plastic clip. These are very weak, very fragile, so do not pull your door card far away. Just pull it a couple of inches away, look over the top of it, and then basically put your finger under it, push the plastic up, pull it out and unclip. Very straightforward, no brute force on that, very fragile, okay? So then we're down to the actual speaker. Now, here in England, our climate is so fantastic, it normally rots everything, yeah? So what happens is, just like this one, there you go, it just deteriorates, drops to pieces, goes mouldy, gets wet, etc. There's 2 ways you can replace the speakers. You can order proper speaker surrounds, speaker adapters, from companies like Connect2 or Autoleads. They're from Amazon or eBay. Basically, you drill out the rivets all the way around, put your speaker adapter in, it comes with screws, and then screw it in, okay? And you get some little wiring adapters as well for these. Or you can do what this chap's going to do, the owner of this vehicle. I've done quite a lot of these, and all you've got to do is get a Stanley blade, go around the outside of the speaker. This will save you about £30 worth of speaker adapter if you're not worried about your old speakers. Then you find the plastic ribs here, yeah? There's 4 of them. All you've got to do, carefully get yourself a hacksaw blade, yeah, on the edge of the plastic, and then cut through it all the way around. I'll do that now. Okay, so we've cut through all 4, yeah, so it's actually loose. Look, what you've got to do now is get your snips, and you guessed it, snip the attached cables. There we go. Centre falls out like so. Now you're left with a plastic frame, yeah. The speaker adapters that you can buy are actually moulded off these, taken off these, so it's a sort of similar idea, but this is the budget, cheap-ass way of doing things. And then you're going to get yourself some 13cm speakers, like so, and line them up. And then what we're going to do is make some little incisions in the edge and put some gaps so we can slide these in and flush. So I'll do that now and then show you how it looks. There we go, so we marked it out to get the 4 tabs, one there, one there, one there and one there. And then basically we've snipped into the edge. It is a bit rough and ready this, but it does work out alright when it's finished. And for the sake of this video, yes, I am skipping little bits, but I'm running out of time unfortunately. And then you can either trim down there, or normally if you just bend them, they'll snap out readily enough, like so. There we go, and that gives you a slot for this to sit flush before you drill holes. So your next thing now is obviously you need your wiring, yeah? We'll leave a little bit of wire in case we need the plug in the future. So snip that off like so, and you can leave that in or take it out, it doesn't bear any odds really. And we're going to drill a little hole just to be able to put the new speaker cable down through into it, like like so, and we'll silicone seal the cable when it's in to stop any water ingress. Obviously we're going to need bullet connectors on the end of here to join to the new cable that comes with the speakers, just to extend it enough to go inside in the hole. And there we are, there's our wire gone straight through the little hole, bullet connected into the original speaker cabling, plugged onto the terminals. Now obviously when you've done that, you're free to offer your speaker up, like so, because you've cut out all your little lugs there, look, for those to fit into, so it sits nice and flush all the way around, and then drill some holes on each corner. So we've supported the speaker with one screw there, we're now going to drill the rest. Like I say, right near the edge, so it's got some decent amount of plastic to go into. Do all four. Get yourself some mounting screws, some reasonable size head on them to actually cover that over, and screw all four in. And there we go. Quick dollop of silicone there for the cabling, just to stop any moisture or movement in the cable more than anything, to be honest. And at that point, obviously test your speaker works. Put your stereo on, make sure it works. When you put your door card back on, obviously this piece first, hook that over. When you put your door card back on, it's best to put the window down and basically lower it into this corner here and follow it along. When you get to the catch here, you can pop out the little black surround, it just pops out, yeah? That game lets this bit go through easier. Then follow it down, and you've got all your plastic poppers that you pulled out, just give them a tap all the way around. There we go. And then obviously there's your electric window switch, pop that back in, click click, door handle, center screw, and 3 bottom TX25s. When you've done that, you have successfully fitted new door speakers in your Volkswagen Transporter. If you've got any questions at all, pop them in the comments below, and thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.